Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take a look at the 10 slowest animals in the world. From snails to sloths, these animals move at a pace that would make a turtle look like a sprinter. Let's start with number 10, the armadillo. Armadillos are slow-moving animals that typically move by walking on all fours. They move slowly and deliberately, taking their time to sniff out food and explore their surroundings. Number 9 is the Gila Monster. Gila monsters are slow-moving reptiles that primarily move by crawling on their belly. They are capable of short bursts of speed, but are generally slow-moving and prefer to conserve energy. Number 8 on our list is the giant panda. Giant pandas are slow-moving animals that primarily move on all fours. They move slowly and carefully through their bamboo forest habitat, using their strong jaws and sharp claws to climb and move through trees. Coming in at number 7 is the starfish. Starfish are slow-moving animals that use their tube feet to slowly crawl along surfaces. They do not have a centralized nervous system, so their movements are often uncoordinated and unpredictable. Number 6 on our list is the koala. Koalas are slow-moving animals that spend most of their time sleeping or lounging in trees. They move slowly and carefully, using their sharp claws to climb and hold onto branches. Number 5 is the giant tortoise. Tortoises are slow-moving animals that primarily move on all fours. They move slowly and deliberately, taking their time to explore their environment and find food. Number 4 on our list is the sea slugs. They are slow-moving animals that typically crawl along the seafloor, or attach themselves to rocks and other surfaces. They move slowly and carefully, using their muscular foot to propel themselves forward. Moving on to number 3, we have the sea anemone. These are stationary animals that do not move from their fixed position on the seafloor. They use their tentacles to capture food and defend themselves from predators. Number 2 is armadillo's cousin, the three-toed sloth. They are slow-moving animals that spend most of their time sleeping or hanging upside down in trees. They move slowly and carefully, using their long arms and legs to slowly crawl along branches. And finally, the slowest animal on our list is the garden snail, that typically crawl along the ground or on vertical surfaces. They move slowly and deliberately, using their muscular foot and sticky slime trail to slowly propel themselves forward.